thick, rich, and tasty chicken feet soup. You want to see how I achieve this one? Continue watching, guys. Welcome back to another video.
These are my chicken feet, washed already, cleaned. So now we're just going to season it with some chicken bouillon and some garlic. Smash and add to your chicken foot. My water is already boiling. So now I'm just going to add a bit of bouillon. Then we can add this to the fats. Guys, a tip when you're preparing chicken food, please check here, the instep here, because most time it has stuff. These are pretty clean. Supposed to clean, guys, and make sure you cut off the nails. Okay, so now I'm just going to add this to my already boiling water. The boiling, guys. Off camera I put some beyond cube and pimento seed. So now I'm going to add my chicken foot so we can start the cooking process while we work on the rest of ingredients. Cover this and allow it to cook while we prep our pumpkin. Here I have my starter. I have pumpkin, a cho, carrot, 2 stalks of celery, and potato. I'm going to peel these and wash, and I'll come back. Now we're going to cut these. We're going to cut the pumpkins in chunks and the Irish potato. This is to allow the soup to get some body while we can put these in later. So I'm just going to cut the Irish potato and the pumpkin at this moment, okay? If you want, you can put a bit of carrot too now, but I'm going to leave those for later on. So let me cut the Irish and the pumpkin. We have dasheen. I don't know how good this is, but dasheen. And we have coco and a piece of yellow yam. So I'm going to wash these, peel these and wash them, and I'll come back. This is a yellow yam. This is a dasheen, guys. This is the dasheen. Add the yam, cocoa, and dasheen, and make your dumplings. I've made dumplings ample time already on this channel, so I'm just going to make that shape for tongue dumpling. Yeah.
So here you have it, guys, my delicious chicken feet pumpkin soup, rich and tasty, guys. Yes. So if it's the first time here, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for always coming back and checking out my videos. So I hope that you will like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, like the video as well, and do subscribe for more. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.